One. So today we are going to provide you a guide on how to set up your AI agent in the 1CloudCRM system. So first thing you need to go to the AI agent tab. Okay, and here you need to select the conversation AI, or you can follow the guide here. Okay, so you go to the conversation AI and go to the agent list and you click create bot. Okay, and normally we will use guided from setup, guided form setup. Okay, and for here we select a general Q&A. If you want the appointment booking chatbot, you can also select appointment booking chatbot. Okay, and first thing you need to create a brand voice. Here I already created one to save time. So you can see this is a payment solution, which is a brand under our company. And you can see you need to fill in all the necessary information, the content information. And below there are some additional information, which are your brand information like target audience, customer pain points, brand promise, brand values. What does your brand do? What makes you better than your competitors? Unique selling proposition, risk of inaction, call to action, type of business. Okay, and after that you close it. Of course, if you got a new one, you need to save it. Okay, and you need to go to next. Okay, you need to name your employee or AI agent. So here we can name it whatever name. We can name it as a test Q&A chatbot. Okay, if you want to make the AI chatbot as a primary, you need to tick this one. Okay, and if you want the AI chatbot to reply fast, you need to put a very short duration here. Normally it's a few seconds. If you want it to wait longer, like a human, you can make it a few minutes. Okay, for initial message, you can define yourself. If you don't put anything here, the AI chatbot will automatically generate a first message. Okay, now you go to next. So you can see the AI model we're using is ChatGPT 4.1, and you can define some goals of the AI chatbot. Okay, so for us, we only need the email and name. So I just put the name and email. I don't need the phone number. Okay, but if you want more, you can tick. So the AI will continue to get all this information from customer. Okay, and if the information is already get, then it will skip. You can skip the goals. Okay, and if the AI don't know how to answer questions, you can send email to admins or a custom email, any email you want. Okay, and now we save it. So this is a very short setup. There are some additional advanced settings as well. Okay, you go to, for now you need to select the mode of the AI chatbot. Normally, if you want the AI chatbot to reply automatically, you need to use autopilot. Suggestive is when you reply in the system, the AI will give you some suggestions on how to answer the questions based on your knowledge base. Okay, so here we put as autopilot, and we go to the advanced settings. Okay, so there are a few things you need to do in advanced settings. First thing is bot training. We already set up a knowledge base. Okay, but if you don't have a knowledge base, right, you need to set up a knowledge base. Later we will show you how to set up the knowledge base. Okay, so knowledge base is simple. You just use the crawler to crawl your website, or add in your FAQ, or you can add some rich text or a CSV table. Let's say your pricing table or your service catalog. Yeah, this will help the AI to understand your business. Yeah, if you don't have a website, it's fine. Yeah, you just provide a FAQ, rich text or table will do, or even a Word document, PDF also can. Okay, so you see on the right side, actually you can test the chatbot. Yeah, okay. So now we save the knowledge base, and then we go to the additional instructions. Okay, see, there's a one thing, very important thing is intent behind the conversation, the goal of the AI chatbot. So here, because we create a Q&A bot, so the goal is answer user questions. Okay, there are some additional instructions, which we also call it prompt. Okay, in here, you can give the AI chatbot some prompt to let the AI know what to do. how to answer, what cannot do. We can create a boundary of the AI chatbot. So here maybe I can add one prompt just regarding, okay, we say reply customer. Accurate. Because this is a payment solution, so we want it to reply customer with accurate rates. Yeah. But you can give the AI chatbot more instructions you want. Okay. Now you can go to the any of the tab like bot training to do the testing of the AI chatbot. So here, because we have the goal of the name and email, so the AI will keep asking the information. Because we also didn't we add as a customer, we also didn't ask anything. So the AI will directly ask for the goal. If the customer asks some information, the AI will try to answer question first, then ask about the email or name. Yeah. So so now it's asking about would you like to discuss about payment solutions? So I would say I want to know the online payment gateway rates. So actually, it gave online payment rates, okay, regarding the like credit card and pay now and all these other payments. So it will call customer's name and asking about anything else and discuss about any other things. So it's currently is in a friendly tone. Yeah. So if you want other tone, you can also test it out. Until you are satisfied with the AI chatbot, you can then you can uh, integrate with other channels. For how to integrate with other channels, this we will discover in other videos. Okay. Now we take a look at how to create a knowledge base. So now we go to the knowledge base. Okay, so you can see there are something we can see in the knowledge base. You can see there are web crawler. So you can use this to crawl your website. Okay, if you click on the add source and you can see you can crawl the exact URL. You can crawl all the URLs in this domain. So if you want to crawl everything, you just enter your domain here. But it will take some time to crawl all your website contents, especially when you have a lot of contents. Okay, so for FAQ, you can create just question and answer. Yeah. And it can be in different languages because it is support any languages using the ChatGPT model. Okay, and of course you can upload a Excel file, which is must be in CSV version, in CSV format. Okay, and you can also input rich text. It's just like a Word document, online document. And you can upload your files. You can upload PDF and Word document. So the AI will be able to understand the your Word document as PDF. Okay. Once you train it, then the AI will understand more. Okay. During your training of your AI chatbot, one thing you need to be sure is you need to make sure is how your where is your AI reply come from. Okay, so I give you an example. So just now we did a training, right? We did a testing. So now I want to know where is this message come from. So I can just click this button, and you can see there's an AI response. Okay, and you can see the knowledge chunks. Take note that the format in the testing has been, the line breaks has been removed in the testing, but in the actual production environment, it will keep in this format. So the line break and the special characters were kept in the production mode. So in the testing environment, in the bot testing environment, all these line break are removed. Okay, but in actual production environment, when you implement in the, let's say in WhatsApp, you implement in Facebook Messenger, you will keep in this formula. Okay, and you see there are some knowledge chunks. It has been used. So here it is using one of the FAQ to answer the question. And you can see the chat history. Okay, so this will help you to train the AI chatbot. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. Have a nice day.